and the market is open in Asia. So I'm currently in 3 positions as I mentioned in the last video. One is AUD JPY. Let me get that. So this one is going pretty well. You can see this nice. Let me actually sit down because it's better when you're sitting down. So let me reset this chart. Come on. We had a nice bullish candle here on a 4-hour. Now a second one opening. I think I might enter another position on AUD JPY if it's gonna give me entry signals. So far this looks like a head and shoulders on a half an hour. Let's see on a 1 hour. On a 1 hour looks very, very good, so we'll see what's gonna happen in 30 minutes. I'm still in NZD CAD since last week. This one's going well as well. On a 4 hour, and we're going well. And then GBP NZD. This one's doing still well. I think I'm 125 right now. Small position though, not really big, so we'll see how it goes. If it's gonna come back to this area, I'm just gonna go on 1 hour. If it's gonna come back to this area, you can see this arrow, I'm gonna enter another position, bigger position, and then go from there. And the take profit will be here. I mean, probably first one's gonna be somewhere here, around this area. Second one will be, where is this line? So that will be the optimal, but we'll see what's gonna happen. But for now, it is super hot outside, so I'm gonna go for a little drive on the bike and enjoy the day. I wait for my trade to set up to enter another position. Another thing why I've closed this position is GBP NZD, NZD CAD and AUD JPY. That's 3 positions I'm currently in. That's just way too much. So another point, GBP NZD, you can see on the 15-minute chart that kind of looks like a double top. You can see 1, 2, and then we kind of breaking down. So I think we potentially gonna bounce from here and then continue downside before we're gonna head upside. But they can also just simply turn around from here, do something like this, blah 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 blah, and then continue up. Not something like this, probably something like, you know what I mean, and continue up. So I closed it. I'm happy with 125. It could be bigger position, but only small one because I wasn't sure until too late. Overall, pretty good. It's currently Wednesday, 30th of October, middle of the week, and this is the positions I'm in. So we are currently in AUD JPY since, let me see, since last week, Thursday, 17th of October. This is just ridiculous. It's not doing anything JPY-wise, but it looks like, to me, it's accumulating at the moment. So I will see what's gonna happen with this on a 4 hour. You can see it's kind of floppy. It looks like it's breaking below the previous high, but previous lower high, which is this area. Let me mark this off somewhere here. I will see what's gonna happen. Not too sure. I think this is just a fake hard and we're gonna continue up. But for now, I'm just gonna forget about it. And then if I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna lose. That's okay. Next position, I'm NZD CAD. This position I'm again since like Monday, I believe. This is Thursday. Thursday last week, I entered, or Friday, I think. I'm not sure. But you can see it just keeps going up and down and up and down. So like a normal, like a normal trading. But you can see when so close to my entry here. And then it turned around and we had a strong bearish candle. So I'm guessing this is gonna continue downside. If you look at the daily, we have a nice head and shoulders. Let me take this tool so you can see. So one shoulder, head, and then beautiful right shoulder. So what I'm thinking is that this is gonna just continue all the way. Let me get this tool. So we are currently here. I think even that this could be a support. I think we can potentially go all the way down here, but we'll see how that goes. Potentially, if this go all the way down here, it will be 123.6, maybe 124, but even down here will be nice, 122.6, but we'll see how that goes. Next position is gold, and then gold is very funny. I entered the gold a few times, so I made some good profits on this. But last I enter here, only small position, because it's all-time high gold right now, so you don't really know what's gonna happen. And if it's all-time high and there's no previous resistance, etc., and it's just a blue sky basically, you never know when it's gonna crash down. So for now, I'm gonna hold this position up to, I believe is it 2,800. So that's my take profit. So there will be very, very nice profit. And then I already took profits on GBP and ZD, actually a few times. You can see I took profits here. So there was one position, I closed that was last week. And another position here, that was 1 to 5, I closed that. And I closed yesterday night 1 to 2. But you can see, if you look at the daily, remember my last videos, my analysis was basically all the way from down here. This is the first position I enter, 1 to 3. If I just hold it, which obviously this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, probably like 2 weeks. I could have hold this, but probably fees and swap fees will kill me. But you can see this will be like beautiful 1 to 7. And if I hold it all the way to here, 1 to 8. But could I? Should I? I didn't. So it is what it is. I took my profits a few times on the way up, and took my profit. So yeah, it's pretty nice. We'll see how it goes for the rest of the week. I'm gonna let it run, and then I'm gonna go to Muay Thai, and I'm gonna enjoy the day. It's pretty sunny today, so catch you in the next one. It's one of those weeks. I was super confident. USD CAD loss, AUD JPY. Hold this for a week, 2 weeks. Loss. GBP AUD. Heavy loss. NZD JPY. Loss. Chef JPY or Swiss franc and JPY. Loss. NZD CAD. Loss. I was right. Loss. I'm kind of right. Loss. Came back and then it's going just sideways. Waking out. Gold. That was really nice. Win. GBP and ZD. I traded many times. 1 win, 2nd win, 3rd win. So this one was great. That was the only thing which got me back. But this week is not the week. It's Friday, 1st of November. I'm currently on, I'm gonna show you somewhere here. What is the current balance, so you can see. And I'm not boosting out, I'm not just showing you my wins, but I'm showing you my losses too. So, see you next week.